Assalamu alaikum again. This is Mr. Muhammad Shallaf from English for Academic Purposes. Today we have lesson 3, which is entitled Language Spot. Today we will learn a kind of a grammar that will help us in writing a small paragraph by the end of the lesson. So the type of grammar here that we are going to talk about is the present simple. Just to remind you, the present simple, if we have the subject he, she, it, we add s or es to the verb. For example, we say he plays. And if we have I, they, we, you, we don't put anything to the verb. For example, we say they play, they read. So here at the beginning, I will show you this. I like reading. I like reading. And we say here with he likes reading. The most important thing that here you have to notice the first red letter word, which is like. If we have these verbs of senses, we add ing to the main verb after that. Okay, so we say I like reading, I like swimming, I like singing, I like drinking. On the right, he likes reading, she likes reading. And for example, also he likes eating, he likes swimming. Another example, I like organizing information. I like organizing information. So as you notice here, we have like, then the word after we put ing. She likes organizing information. We have likes, then we add ing to the word organize after that. I hate working under pressure. Hate, we put ing after that. He hates working under pressure. I am good at working in a team. I'm good at. It's like I'm doing this well, and then we add also ing. He is good at working in a team. So when you see is good at, or am good at, or are good at, the same thing, we add ing to the next or following verb. I don't mind doing routine activities. Don't mind, we add ing after that. She doesn't mind doing routine activities. So the form of the grammar here, if we have the subject, he, she, it, they, we, you, I, any subject, or a name, for example, Ahmad, Omar, Layla, Maryam, Reem, whatever. And after that, we have these verbs. Only these verbs, the emotional verbs like, love, enjoy, be good at, don't mind, or doesn't mind. These verbs, if you see these verbs after the subject, you have to add the verb ing after that. Verb ing. Let's practice here another exercise, or to see again the rule. Look at this sentence. Ali slash happy face travel slash sad face organize information. Happy face is positive. Organize information. So here you have to put the words here in red instead of the face, like this. He likes, then you put the word travel, traveling. Then you put comma, but he hates organizing information. So here we have two sentences. Ali likes traveling, he hates organizing. Another example. Ali enjoys traveling, but he doesn't like organizing information. The same thing. Likes, enjoys, loves, is good at, then put ing. But he doesn't like organizing information. Ali loves traveling, but he doesn't enjoy organizing information. Let's look at this example. George, happy face, work in a team, slash, don't, or whatever, do routine activities. Sad face, do routine activities. The first example, Ali likes working in a team, but he hates doing routine activities. George likes, because we have the verb likes, we put ing. The second sentence, but he hates, we put ing to the verb do. This is one type. Can we write this in another way? Yes, of course. You can write it like this. Ali likes working a team, but now I will change. hates into doesn't like or doesn't mind doing routine activities. Can we write another word or another way? Yes, of course. George likes working in a team, but he is not good at doing routine activities. So here you have three examples. You can do this sentence to express that a person loves, likes, prefers doing something, and the other side we give the opposite meaning, but he hates, he doesn't like, he is not good at. Now here we have this homework. I want to do it, write it on a paper, then send me the photo of that. Stephanie, happy face, deal with people. Sad face, deal with money. So do it in the same way. Only give me one answer for each sentence. So here we have 5 sentences. You have to give me 4 answers. Sorry, 4 sentences with 4 answers. Now here we have another type of understanding some sentences and phrases. Task, match the sentences with their synonyms. So on the left we have sentences. On the right we have synonyms. What I want you to do is to match them. So the sentences, in getting on in business you should, which means that if you want to get in a business you have to learn and get 5 things. Number 1, learn more than one language. Learn more than one language. If we want to see a synonym for that, what does it mean more than one language? Which means that you can speak or communicate in 2 or 3 languages. You know, English, Arabic, Spanish, whatever. Okay? The second thing that you have to do to get a business quickly and professionally is to get a business qualification, bachelor, diploma, training, something like that. And the meaning of that is here, study and earn a certificate in business studies. You are a student of business or IT, try to get a qualification, try to get your bachelor degree, BA, or your diploma, your master's degree. The third thing that you have to learn is, or to do, is network with a family and friend. Tell the people that you want to work. Tell your family, your friends, friend of friends also. What does this mean? It means that you have a connection with the friends and family members. So, for example, if your father's friend has a company, so he will tell his friend that my daughter wants to work and she is holding, for example, a master's degree in business. So if you have a company, please give her priority and she will give you her CV. So this connection will help you to get in a business quickly. The fourth thing that you have to learn and do, you have to read business magazines and business sections in newspapers. For example, when you open the magazine or the newspaper, try to find the business section. This will help you to understand how does the company or how do companies work, what do they need, what are they looking for, and try to be up to date any new things in the business field. And this means that reading professional papers for improvement. You can go to journals, to magazines, and find any new articles, papers about your subject. If you are specialized in, for example, in customer service, try to find what are the problems, what they think they need to achieve the job in the new technology. And the last one, try to get work experience in an office. Now, most of you are studying, but you try in the summer, for example, to train, to work in a business, in a company. So you will practice here more and more. This is perfect in your CV. So this means that you gain experience and training in this company. So again, if you want to get in a business, you should, 1, learn more than one language, learn English, Arabic, French. 2, get a business qualification, bachelor, diploma, master's, PhD. 3, network with family and friends. Here you have to tell your friends and the family that you are looking for a job. Number 4, read business magazines and business sections in newspapers so you will be up to date. And the last one, try to get work experience in an office. Try to get training. Please remember these 5 points. Memorize them one by one. Because in the exam, I might ask you, if you want to get in a business, what you should do. So here you have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here now we want to learn how to write a paragraph about ourselves. But here you have to know how to write the things that you do and you have and in relation to business. So here we have this questionnaire. I wanted to fill it according to you. So here we have 12 points. For example, if you like working in a team, so click here yes. So which means that you say, I enjoy teamwork. Number 2, I'm good at research. You are doing the research in a good way. So if you have this qualification and you can do it, please click yes. If not, click no. Number 3, I'm good at dealing with money. This is good for people in business and who wants or likes to work in a bank, for example. So you have to be good in doing money business. So here, if you have this qualification, click yes. I'm good at problem solving, and this is very important in the business field. So that's the same thing. If you have this skill, click yes. I like dealing with people. I'm not very good at organizing information. I like using technology, to the end of this list. Now we will use these 12 points to write a paragraph. Look here at this paragraph. Here we have a paragraph is written by Marcus. Marcus is a male. He works as a buyer of luxury leather goods, which means he buys in a very expensive place that sells leather goods like bags, belts, something like that. Look at this paragraph. I work for a department store. So for your paragraph you can say, for example, I work for Bank Muscat. I work for a college in Oman. I work for a company in Oman, in Sur. My office is in New York. He says, my office is in New York, but I travel a lot. So you can say here the same thing. My office is in Sur, but I travel to Muscat a lot. Then, I love traveling and I spend a lot of time in Italy and Morocco. I enjoy meeting with people. Notice here what is he doing? I enjoy meeting. He puts ing. I enjoy meeting new people and seeing. I enjoy seeing the new styles. I love the challenge of getting a good contract for my company. The same thing. I love getting. Then I love negotiating with a good deal. Next, I spend a lot of time on my own, but that's not a problem as I enjoy being independent. In fact, I'm not a great team worker, which means he doesn't like to work in a team. He likes working independently. Then, I don't really like the routine paper when I get back to the office, but it needs to be done. Now, here this paragraph is written by Marcus about himself. You have to write a paragraph in the same way, expressing yourself. First, tell me your name, tell me where do you work or what's your job, and start explaining about the company and the activities that you do in this company. Then you have to add the things that you like and don't like. You can go back again to the first slides to write the same thing as what we finished with Stephanie, with George, with Ali, as they said, I like this, but I don't like this. Okay, in the same way. Now we have this activity. You have this questionnaire. Read it carefully. Put yes or no next to each of these things. For example, If I say I enjoy teamwork, I say yes. I am good at research, I say no. So I can write a sentence, for example, I enjoy working in a team, but I am not good at doing research. I'm not good at doing research. So you can work and combine two phrases of these or two skills. From these skills, one is positive and the other is negative. And it's better if you add examples for that. For example, number 3, I am good at dealing with money, so I prefer working in a bank, or I'm doing a good job in a bank. So you can working on this. So here we have the this writing task. I want to do it today and send it to me this night. Task: study the results of the questionnaire that we have just finished, filled yes or no, and write a paragraph of about 10 to 12 sentences, only 10 to 12 sentences, discussing the professional skills. Be able to give examples, use present simple tense. So again, you start, for example, my name is Muhammad. I am a teacher at Sur University College. I like teaching in the college, but for example, I hate doing or preparing the exams. Moreover, I like traveling, so it's good in my college that they send me sometimes to Muscat to teach there. So, and then you continue to finish these 12 sentences. Please do this activity today and send it to me. Another important thing I have to tell you, on Wednesday we have quiz 1. I will upload quiz 1 on the Moodle on Wednesday. So when you log in, you have some days to finish that. I'll give you some days. Please do it alone. Don't get help from any person. It will be about Unit 1. So what I want you to do again, to study the vocabulary of Unit 1, remember the words, study the videos again or watch the videos again I submitted in this unit, memorize the steps, how to get in a job, what are the personality types, these things. Then I will tell you more about the exam in the next class. Thank you so much.